CaliControl is a handy tool for creators. You can use it to adjust screen settings, calibrate your display, or even use it as a dial controller. Here's what comes in the box. The first step is to download ASUS Display Widget Center. This unlocks all the key functions. Once you connect CaliControl to computer, 2 new tabs will pop up in Display Widget Center. Now you can use the OSD Control feature to easily tweak various display settings. Under the OSD Control section in CaliControl, you can assign commands to the 2 buttons. To calibrate your screen colors using CaliControl, just head to the Color Calibration tab in Display Widget Center. Display Widget Center will guide you through installing ProArt Calibration. Once the installation is complete, the software launches automatically. ProArt Calibration automatically detects connected displays and allows you to select the one you want to calibrate via a drop-down menu. If a ProArt display that supports hardware calibration is connected, the system will also automatically switch to the hardware calibration page. Open the bottom cover of the CaliControl. It can be mounted onto the underside of the counterweight. Once it's done, you'll see a calibration report. You can keep it, discard, or export it as an image. CaliControl can also be used as an ASUS Dial or Windows Dial, making it easy to control your apps and operating system. Just head to CaliControl in Display Widget Center and pick the feature you want. You can adjust more settings in the ASUS Dial and Control Panel apps or in the Windows Settings page. CaliControl lets you adjust your screen, calibrate colors, and control apps, all in one.